Good morning. I'm here in my studio today and I'm going to share a little bit about how I quilt my mosaic quilt designs. You can see right here, I've got a lot of quilting done already in this area. However, you can see this particular piece I missed and this loop around the sun. So what I'm going to do is just pull up my thread tails right here and do a couple locking stitches. I'm going to quilt on this piece here and then continue around this path, and I'm going to end over here. And you can see I'm going to use my tweezers to help pull up my bobbin thread. Super handy for that. And now I'm going to go down and do a couple locking stitches, real tight mini stitches right next to each other. Probably about 3 of them just to kind of get the thread tails locked. And then I'm going to snip away these tails so they're out of my way as I start quilting. And here we go. And I'm kind of sort of thinking about water a little bit as I'm stitching this down. Yeah, real tight corner right there, or a small piece. I'm thinking long, kind of watery type stitches. As opposed to when you see me get on the rays of sunshine, I kind of do just a random stippling. Like, here we go. So here, I'm just making sure I kind of get everything locked down, those corners. And you'll notice I'm going right across the grout over to the next piece. Okay, so here's a point. I'm just going to kind of zigzag along that, just so that I get that point secured. These are some very small pieces, so it is very precise or concentrated quilting. Here we go. And kind of just flowing from one piece to the next. I try to stay on each one of the pieces, but these smaller guys, sometimes you do get out in that grout with your stitch line, and that's okay. You're not going to see it. And there we go. And now I'm going to do a couple locking stitches right here. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to pull up my thread tails and snip. So we'll go like this. And there it is. I'm going to grab my scissors. So nice having them right here next to my machine. And there you go. That little piece is all quilted. My sunshine is all quilted. My rays. Yep, happy day.